Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life.
Welcome to channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Zidane. I'm Nuya.
Where we at, guys?
Westin Riverwalk. Welcome.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Westin Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. So in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the rooms we're staying at. It's the Studio King and also the Double Queen. So we'll give you a tour of that and then show you guys some of the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys the Westin Riverwalk. Welcome to the Westin Riverwalk in San Antonio. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a beautiful lobby with check-in immediately to your right. The lobby had a temporary display for Day of the Dead. The lobby has plenty of seating with separate sections so family and individuals can have their own space. As you go down, there's a beautiful staircase that leads to the second floor, offering you event spaces. Going back into the lobby, you pass the concierge desk and then leading down to the guest elevators. Onto our room, the 12th floor. So this is our room right here, 1204. We actually have two rooms and we'll show you both of that. So this is the Double Queen. As soon as you walk in, you got a closet to your right. And then right across is your bathroom. You got your tub, all of your amenities. And then your bathroom counter with a mirror, your vanity, a little dry bar area here. You got your coffee maker and everything to make that happen. Your ice box. You should have a mini fridge. And then the room itself. So this is the Double Queen as mentioned. So you got both queens here, balcony overlooking the Riverwalk, and we'll show you that later. Your TV right across with your cabinet underneath, your dresser, your work desk, some outlets on top, and then a little chair on the corner as well. And then let's go outside and see what it looks like. So you got the beautiful Riverwalk. Oh, you got the view of the tower too. Towers of America's back in the corner there. And you can actually see the cruise, the river cruise down there that's actively in session. But yeah, entire Riverwalk. And then let's make our way back inside and check out the suite. So these doors open up, which we did, and then you got your suite as well. So a lot more space, a lot more cozy vibe, and then you got your king bed in this room. But before we get there, let's check out the dry bar area here. So a little bit more space than the previous room, but your coffee maker, ice box, your mini fridge, same thing in here. And then your TV, dresser, work desk, end tables on both sides for this room. And then your sofa as well that turns into a sofa bed. So if you got multiple people in here, you got plenty of space for all of that. And then the balcony here is a lot nicer because it's a lot bigger. But yeah, same side, same view. We'll just pan over here. Make our way towards the back end here. You got your closet, mirror here as well, your closet, you got your robe, ironing board, iron, and then the bathroom. So this one has a soaking tub, standing shower, and then your countertop, a lot larger than the previous bathroom in the other room, and a lot nicer in my opinion. And we'll just open this up just to give you an idea. So this concludes the room tour here at the Westin Riverwalk San Antonio. Let's see what else this place has to offer. The best part about this hotel is the location, situated right on the Riverwalk. It's close to all attractions with a scenery that never gets old. And if you booked a room without the Riverwalk view, on the second floor is a large public balcony with seating. Speaking of Riverwalk views, the hotel has an on-site restaurant called Zocca, an Italian restaurant offering you breakfast, lunch, and dinner. On-site is also Cafecito, a cozy grab-and-go cafe serving breakfast and lunch, and of course, coffee. Other things to do on site is take advantage of the outdoor heated pool located on the 4th floor. A garden-style feel with plenty of seating and also a pool bar. Adjacent, you'll find the 24-hour fitness studio. Other on-site amenities include a quiet lounge near the lobby, valet parking up front, and if you choose to self-park, there's also a paid parking lot right across that's not affiliated with the hotel. Well, there you folks have it, the Westin Riverwalk in San Antonio. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these guys down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe.